So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $27 using a free AI tool called Cloud AI and Canva, and create a digital product and launch it in Gumroad, Eticel, and Seller, and other free platform where you can launch your products. So I'm going to guide you step by step. My name is Bright, and welcome to my channel where I teach beginners how to make money online. Anything concerned on how to make money online, that is where you find my channel. So if you are a new person or today is your first time to come across my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video you will get notified. Let's get to the business. We are going to create daily schedule. Okay, so that is what we are going to create now. So I'm going to guide you step by step. As I said, please, before we continue, there is something I normally tell my students, okay, because if I did not guide you step by step, you are going to lose on the way. So this is the our working place where we are going to do the work this morning. So as you can see, is a white blank understand specs. So I'm going to show you some certain things before we start. Now, as you can see, we are going to use this alignment and text to create what we are going to create here this morning. So before we start, this is this place. As you see these numbers here, this is ruler. Okay, this is ruler. So what are the essence of this ruler? You are going to use this ruler to put your work so that your work will be on a straight line, so that you will not make any mistake. So that is essence of this ruler, so that your work will be neat. Okay, so that is the essence of this ruler you are seeing right here. Okay, how can you find this ruler? People may ask, or you may ask, where can I get this ruler? Because if you open your Canva, you may not see the ruler. So you just come to file. As you come to file, you come to setting. As you can see, show ruler and guide. So this is where you can find it. Okay, thank you so much. Now this is white blank specs. So if you want to do your work, you want to change, maybe you don't like white, you want to change to another color, you just click anywhere around this workplace. It will pop out something here. I see this place, so click there. You will find different colors that you want to use and do your work. Okay, so right now we are going to use off-white to do our work. So you come here, you lighten it a little bit. The next thing we are going to do is come to text. Okay, you click text, bring you this place. You just have to delete this one. So we are going to type daily schedule. Daily schedule. You minimize, you bring it here. So you make this one to be big. You come to position to center it very well. Okay, it's at the center. You duplicate this, bring it down and delete it, and write, plan your day, stay productive. That is what you are going to put down. Please, I am going to fast forward this because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so some of the things I'm going to make sure I fast forward it. That is one reason why anything I will type, I will first tell you, so that you will follow me as we go. Thank you. Plan your day. You minimize it, you bring it here. The next thing we are going to put down is dates. Okay, you duplicate, you bring it down, you delete, you type dates, so you bring it. So what we need next now is line. Okay, you come to alignment, you click alignment, you come to this place, you type line. Okay, look at the line that we are going to use. You click it. So right now this line is too big. What you have to do is come to this place, as you can see is 4, so we are going to reduce it to 2 or even 1. Okay, let's make it 1. Then we'll bring it down here. The next thing we are going to do again is top priorities and schedule. That is what we are going to put down: top priorities and schedule. So these are the things that you are going to put down next. So you duplicate, you bring it down, you delete. So you type top priorities, you duplicate, you bring it down, you delete. So you write schedule, you bring it here. We are going to schedule from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so that is where the next thing we are going to put down right away. Okay, so in this place I'm going to fast forward it. That's the reason why I tell you what you are going to do now, putting them down. Okay, from 6 a.m. in the morning to 10 p.m. in the evening. So that is how we are going to arrange it right now. So you are going to follow me step by step. Thank you. Let's continue. Duplicate this line, bring this line here, and you turn it. Make sure it's on a straight line. You draw this line. Okay, you draw this line, keep it like this, you bring it up. So you come to position at the center, click at the center. Okay, nice one. Bring it here, then stretch it, duplicate again, bring it down, you duplicate all. So as you can see, we are done with the lines. Okay, so we are done with the lines, as you can see. So the next thing we are going to put down is notes. Okay, so come to text, you click notes, minimize it, then you bring it down, you bring this one here, then bring this one here, you position it very well. The next thing we need now is come to alignment. Okay, see all. So you are going to use this tape now. So you stretch this tape, stretch this tape. Okay, stretch it, then bring it down here with these lines. Okay, then you bring this one again, you come to transparency. Okay, then you reduce it, light in it very well. Okay, you keep it like that. Good. If you bring it here, minimize it, come to text. Okay, we use this, we type. Okay, just minimize it so that you know, understand what I'm saying. Okay, so we are going to arrange all like this. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward this so that the thing will not be too long. Okay, just follow me step by step. Let's continue. So we are done. As you can see, look at the way we arrange it. So we are done. So for this schedule, as you can see, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, so let's minimize it. As you can see, the work is very neat. So we need a box in this priority. So let's continue. Let me show you. So this top priorities, we need a box. Okay, so look at how we are going to fix this box. See this line? We are going to minimize this line a little bit, as you can see. So you will come to alignment, then we are going to use this box. As you are seeing, we'll click this box, then we'll minimize it. We are going to reduce it. Okay, then you bring it here. So this box is going to be here. Okay, good. So you will count 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you minimize again, then you duplicate this box, then you bring it here, then you bring it down here. Nice one. So as you can see, look at how the work is very neat, very neat, very neat. So right now we need a clock. Okay, we need a clock. So look at this clock. Okay, you click it, then minimize it. Okay, minimize it, then you bring it here, keep it there. Wow, this is awesome. This is how to create a daily schedule for your content creating. So in this place, we are done with this digital product. Okay, so Cloud AI create this digital product while Canva design it. As you can see how the Canva design it. So you will use Cloud AI to create the digital product, then you bring it to Canva, then Canva will design it for you, as you can see. So we are done. It's very simple. Okay, so that is what I always say. This comes in bundle, so when you do it complete bundle, you can be able to sell it a better price, but you can still sell it single by single. Okay, so right now I'm going to tell you how you can export it and a platform where you can launch it. We have different platforms where you can sell your digital product. We have a Diesel, we have Seller, we have Gumroad. Or today I am going to use Gumroad as an example to show you how you can launch your products on Gumroad. Okay, so now first of all, let me show you how to export it. Okay, then you will come to share, you click share. As you come to share, then you come to download, you click download. So I'm going to show you something here. They come to this place. As you can see, we have JPG, we have PNG, we have PDF, we have XVG. Going to export it on PDF print is where you are going to export it. Best for document and printing. So this is what you use, PDF print. So and export it. When you click it, you export it. Okay, so let me show you a platform where you can launch your products. Okay, you come to Google Chrome, so you type Gumroad, you use your you type Gumroad. So this is the Gumroad. Okay, so this is the interface of Gumroad. As you can see, look at the products that people have already listed, people that are creating as you're about to create. Okay, as you can see, look at this one, 2.99 euro. As you can see, look at their price. This one is 150 USD. Okay, if you scroll down, you will see their product and their prices. Okay, you scroll down. So these are Gumroad where you can launch your digital products as we just created it. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through this platform so that you can understand everything about this platform. Okay, as you can see their prices. So now let's come to this place. As you can see, so this is home. Understand, this is home, agent, profile, products, collaborator, checkout, email, workflow, sell, analytics, affiliates, payout, and rest of them. Okay, so in this platform, what you have to do is just to use your email and register. Okay, fill the necessary information. They will ask you to fill your name, date of birth, your bank account, launch your new product, all these things. Just it's very simple just to follow the instruction. If you want me to really do video about how to set up your account on Gumroad, just DM me, drop a comment. I will tell you everything on how to set up your account on Gumroad. So as I said earlier before, it's not only on Gumroad that you can launch your product. Okay, you can launch your product in a Etsy, you can launch your product in Seller. There is a lot of them where you can sell your product. The amazing part of it is that as you create one product, you can launch it in different platforms. As you are earning from this platform, you are earning from this one, you are earning from this one. That is how digital product works. Remember that digital product is something that you can create once and sell it forever. Okay, it's not something that it's not drop shipping where you create, you are looking for a buyer, you exporting this and exporting that. No, digital product doesn't work that way. That is the reason why that digital product is more perfect, more okay than drop shipping. Okay, so this is how it works. So if you are new in my channel, as I said, maybe just this is your first time to come across my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get notified. And again, I am going to package my full course of my tutorial. So from beginning to the end, you will learn it. It will be at least 2 to 3 hours video, so you will take your time and watch that video. Anything that you want to know about how to use Cloud and Canva and create a digital product for yourself and sell it massive money, please, you need to watch that video from beginning to the end. It's a very long video, but it's worth it. It's worth your time to learn it and learn it very well. Okay, as I said, my name is Bright. Welcome to my channel, Liquid Money, where I teach beginners how to make money online. Okay, anything that concerns money, to make money online. I do research about apps that pay money. I do research about side hustle, anything that bring money on the table. That is where you find my channel. Okay, so thank you so much. I love you guys. Shalom. God bless you all. See you in my next video.